To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos.
9 life hacks lazy people will love. We all know that there's nothing better these days than a useful old-fashioned shortcut. The productive lazy man is the best way to live life. It saves time, gets things done quickly, and you just might get hired by Bill Gates. Welcome to Bare Minimal, and today we present you with 9 life hacks all lazy people will definitely love with all their heart. But before we begin, don't forget to watch the whole video, and remember to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to receive more incredible content like this. Okay, now we can get started. Number 9. Save ink when printing. Simply change the text from black to gray. The difference in quality is minimal and won't only reduce the amount of ink you use, but also increase printing speed. That's good for both your wallet, the environment, and the fact that you won't have to refill your printer as often. Number 8. Easily change the case of text in Microsoft Word. Highlight the text you'd like to change and press Shift plus F3. Do so once to convert the highlighted text to all uppercase, twice to convert all text to all lowercase, and 3 times will capitalize the first letter of each word. Number 7. Save time cooking eggs. Want to save time when cooking a dozen eggs? Put them in a muffin tin, set the oven to 350 degrees, and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. They'll come out the perfect size for an English muffin breakfast sandwich. Number 6. Know which side the gas tank is on without getting out of the car. Have a look at the little gas indicator on your instrument cluster. You'll see a small arrow next to it, which points to the gas tank side of your car. Number 5. Bedside charger. Let's start with the struggle of not reaching your charger from your bed. You can quickly fix this by taking a paperclip and some tape. Fold the tape so it's sticky on both sides. Then you can stick it to the paperclip and then beside your bed. Put your charger through it and you're good to go. Number 4. When you can, skip the scrubbing. One of the most tedious aspects of domestic cleaning has to be scrubbing. There are a handful of areas in your home that need a good scrub, from floors to showers and tubs. The solution to this problem is spraying the right cleaning products that eats the dirt for you. Most require spraying and leaving them on the surface you are cleaning for a few minutes before wiping with a clean, damp cloth. At most, you might need to give a gentle scrub if the dirt is extra stubborn, but most quality sprays eliminate scrubbing altogether. Number 3. Consider using baking soda to disinfect your home. Instead of installing expensive and troublesome air filters or buying fancy cleaners that require a lot of effort to operate, you can use diluted baking soda to clean stains and freshen up your air. For stains, you use it the same way you use vinegar and cleaning sprays. And to eliminate odors, you can put diluted baking soda in a spray bottle before spritzing in the air. Number 2. Vinegar is a lifesaver. Although not as strong as a conventional spray, vinegar is quite a powerful cleaning product that can be used to clean various things ranging from hard water stains to the inside of your coffee maker. Just take care to dilute it in water as it can be very strong. This holds true for other natural cleaning products like lemon and baking soda. Speaking of baking soda, Number 1. Use dental floss to cut cakes flawlessly without having to wash knives. Cutting cake isn't easy, nor is it particularly clean. This is doubly true with all the icing clumping on your knife. Solution: use dental floss to cut your slices effortlessly and flawlessly. We're calling this one of the best life hacks for lazy people who love cake, because let's face it, washing dishes sucks. We hope you enjoyed this video. Which of these hacks was most helpful for you? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like this video, share with all your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. If you want to receive more amazing content like today, do not forget to turn notifications on. We'll see you soon!
If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time!